Hello foodies, today I'll be making stuffed mushrooms. So all you need is garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, bocconcini. I'm using these kind of cheeses, you can use any cheese you want. A little basil, and I'm using one zucchini, and some sliced cherry tomatoes. We add the garlic and saute for like 5 minutes. Now I'm adding the diced zucchini. I'm going to saute them for like 5 minutes as well. I added just a little bit of water to saute this and not to burn. The garlic is very important. And now I'm adding the tomatoes and saute them for just a minute or so. And I'm adding a little bit of oregano. I'm adding a little bit of black pepper, the thyme, add the basil. Just doesn't need to be cooked or anything. So now I'm mixing the cheeses. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Mix with a spoon. And this is for the, on top of the stuffing of the mushrooms. So the mushroom stuffing is ready. So I salted and pepper to the mushrooms. So now I'm gonna just stuff them one by one. So you have to clean them and wash them with a wet tea towel. The mushrooms I'm talking about. And then just carve them a little bit in the middle so you have more room to do the stuff. Now I'm just adding a bocconcini each on top of the, and you can add any cheese you want, really, mozzarella or anything really. And then I'm going to sprinkle with Parmesan, or you can do mozzarella cheese, which binds them more together nicely. I just prefer Parmesan. So now I'm gonna bake this at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. So the stuffed mushrooms just came out of the oven. They smell amazing and they look absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Bon appétit!